look out circular against the nightclub owners Saurav and Gaurav Luthra in connection with the fire tragedy. Now, this means that both men will be stopped if they attempt to leave the country. Meanwhile, the investigation is moving quickly. Several police teams have been formed and one of them has travelled to Delhi, where the officers arrested the fifth accused, Bharat Kohli. That is the man who reportedly handled the club's day-to-day operations. These arrests follow the devastating fire at the Arpora nightclub, which claimed 25 lives and exposed serious safety and licensing violations. More action is expected as the probe continues. All right, let's get up all the updates. Swarali is now joining us. Swarali, now look out notice against the club owners, Gaurav and Saurav Luthra, which means they cannot leave the country. They'll be stopped. What more updates do you have?
Yes, that's true. This is the current major update in this entire story we have been tracking since yesterday. So the owners of this Birch nightclub, Saurav and Gaurav Luthra, the lookout notice has been sent out by Goa police, and as we had been already informed by CM himself yesterday, that teams have been sent to Delhi, and as a part of action from the leads by the managers who were earlier arrested in this case, from their leads, Bharat Kohli, as you rightly pointed out, his age is 49 and he has been operating daily operations for Birch nightclub. Now he has been detained from Delhi and brought back to Goa for questioning. Now it is to be seen whether he is arrested or what further action is being taken by Goa police. But we can see there's a lot of pressure being developed by the opposition, by the localites, and the kind of uproar we can see from the families and the emotions in the state of Goa, because it is very important. It's a tourism-focused state, and this is one of the major fire incidents that has taken place in the state of Goa. 25 people have lost their lives, and that is the reason government also is taking major steps. Right. And audit has been also ordered. Magisterial probe has been
Absolutely.
ordered.
So the investigations and the probe into the fire tragedy in Goa's nightclub. Thank you so much for all those details there as the investigation is intensifying. And viewers, it's time to take a very short break, and up next we'll get you all the updates on the Parliament's special session, which is a historic session that is going to be held today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to initiate the debate on the 150th anniversary of our national song, Vande Mataram. All the details coming up ahead. Stay tuned.
अब छोलिया हो या लोबिया, सफेद चने या काले चने,
सब कुछ मजेदार बने।